What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this JSAUX FlipGo Dual stacked portable monitor. Well, when I've received this product, after I have unwrapped it, after checking the colors, I was like, well, how did they know about which color do I like? Look over here and then here. And check this. Wow. I've been using these colors in my studio for the past couple of weeks. So well, it was a very good start. And after I have started using this JSAUX FlipGo Dual stacked portable monitor, I was like, bang, this is the best. This is the one that I have been looking for. I have got this 16-inch Pro edition. JSAUX also has a 16-inch touchscreen edition. The super early bird price is only 479 US dollars, but it is limited to the first 50 pieces. JSAUX FlipGo is the most portable dual monitor which offers effortless productivity and makes it easy to create a mobile office. Here comes our JSAUX FlipGo Dual stacked portable monitor, and it is actually built with premium materials such as aluminum and silicon. Look at this, it comes with an aluminum unibody, so it has sturdy build quality. In terms of outlook, appearance and build quality, this FlipGo deserves to get 10 out of 10. On the left side, from top to bottom, there is a display switch button, a USB-C 3.2 port for Windows, another USB-C 3.2 port is there for Mac, and yeah, there is a mini HDMI port. We can use either of these USB-C ports as a video input port or as a power port. Yeah, JSAUX FlipGo portable dual monitor requires additional power, and that's why JSAUX has provided a very nice 65-watt premium power brick inside the box. But some of the laptops and smartphones supports power output, so if you are going to use this portable monitor with that type of gadget, then you won't require to add the additional power brick. On the flip side, if we add the power brick, then the power brick will not only power up the portable monitor, but it will also power up or recharge the smartphone or the laptop, whatever is connected to this portable monitor. So that means only a single cable to power up the monitor, and then only a single cable from the monitor to the laptop will not only allow us to have video output to the monitor, but will also allow us to recharge the laptop. On the right side, from top to bottom, there is a multifunctional button which works as power button and back button. There is a menu dial, an OTG USB-C 2.0 port for connecting a mouse or a keyboard, and here there are two OTG USB-A 2.0 ports for connecting a mouse and a keyboard. We need to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on or off the display, and we can briefly press the power button to get back to the previous OSD menu. We can press the menu dial to open OSD menu, move the dial up and down to select or adjust the values. We can adjust brightness, contrast, DCR, sharpness, color temperature, hue, saturation, low blue light, language, FreeSync, reset, and choose different connected ports. Anyway, I personally care about 3 aspects of a portable monitor. That is color calibration, compatibility, and convenience, which is also known as portability. Okay, let's talk about portability first. To produce a truly portable dual monitor, JSAUX has prioritized a lightweight design and added magnetic functionality, so it is effortless and convenient to flip and go. It's truly easy to carry around as it only weighs 1.6 kilograms. That's really one of the lightest among all the dual portable monitors. Okay, I'm talking about the 16-inch version, but if you want something lighter than this, then JSAUX has also got you covered. There is a 13.5-inch edition which weighs less than 1.16 kilograms. Besides the stand holder, there are 3 other different type of magnetic stands. A flex folio, a snap stand, and a snap VESA adapter. They're all easy to install and very easy to use. With the flexible magnetic design, switching between different working scenarios has become easier than before. So we can easily carry this portable monitor when we are traveling or use it in different scenarios. As I've mentioned earlier, JSAUX FlipGo monitors comes with two 16-inch IPS LCD panels. And yeah, both the panels have a 2560 by 1600 resolution. In different lighting environment, this offers a flicker-free user experience. I am happy with the color calibration. Black is truly dark and white is super bright. JSAUX FlipGo Foldable Portable Dual Monitor supports 16.7 million colors and 100% sRGB color gamut. So yeah, JSAUX FlipGo can reproduce colors perfectly. It's natural yet vivid and vibrant. It's really one of the best in its segment. The 16 by 10 aspect ratio allows us to fit more inside these display panels. The bezels between the dual screens are the narrowest among all the portable monitors that I have reviewed and available on the market. As this is a portable dual monitor, I can consume entertainment on one monitor and use the other one as my working display real estate. JSAUX FlipGo Dual Stacked Portable Monitor has 4 different modes. Like in Ultra View, we can use it in landscape or in portrait mode. And again, there is this duo view mode. We can use this duo view mode in landscape and in portrait. Also, as there is a dedicated switch display button, what you have to do is to just press on that button to switch between the modes. Its unique flexibility and versatility makes it an exceptional choice for various professional roles. There are like hundreds of different use case scenarios with this dual portable monitor. It's not like the use case scenarios are limited. Use your creativity and requirements together to get the best setup for yourself. And between me and Thea, we even have different type of use case scenarios. Well, there is a very important thing I want to talk about. I use different MacBook Pros. I have MacBook Pro M2 Pro and M3 Max. Thea uses different type of Windows-based laptops. So as both of us can use this JSAUX FlipGo dual stacked portable monitor with all the devices, it means, well, this FlipGo is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Not only that, it is also compatible with Android, iPadOS, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 5 and Linux. So yeah, finally, I'm ready to give this JSAUX FlipGo dual stacked portable monitor 9 out of 10 for its overall performance. But when it comes to value for money proposition, it will get 10 out of 10 without any hesitation. Well, if you're in the market looking for a portable monitor, something like this, something like dual portable monitors, then I think you should check this JSAUX FlipGo dual stacked portable monitors. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, as usual, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. With a bad look like Scotty, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah, Abu Dhabi. With a bad look like Scotty, ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah.